Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So before we discuss about the home menu, insert, design, transition, animation and slideshow, if you don't know about that all menus, then you can check my playlist and you can learn about the home, insert, design, transition, animation and slideshow. But from today I'm teaching you how can you use the review menu. So there are lots of options available. You can see there is the proofing section, language sections, comment section and compare sections. So how can you use these sections? So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So I'm writing something. Hello sir, how are you? So I am writing this one. Hello sir, how are you? And if you want to check the spelling and grammar, you have to click in the spelling and grammar. Now you can see the spelling is correct, that's why it's showing me that spell check complete, you are good to go. It's telling me like that. Another option also available, research. So from the research you can research something about your words. So if I search in the book, here you can see I think this is not working this time. The search stops. It's searching, but for this I think you need internet connection. Okay, just wait for a moment. It's searching. I think you understand. And you can see it's telling me that this service could not be searched because you are not connected to the internet. Please connect and try again. So for this you need internet connection. You can see inside there is no internet access in my computer right now. So from the thesaurus also available here. So I'm closing the research, and from the thesaurus you can search synonyms. Okay, so I'm taking the thesaurus, and from here if you want to search any kind of synonyms, so I'm using a computer and I'm clicking in the enter. Now you can see there is all the synonyms related with computer is coming. You can see there is processor available, processor, CPU, mainframe, supercomputer, workstation. There are lots of options available inside the thesaurus. Okay, and another option also available, that is translate, and from the translate you can translate your some text in another language, but for this you need internet connection. So without internet connection you cannot use this feature. Okay, from the language also you can set the language of your Microsoft PowerPoint. And from the new comment, if you want to give some comment to your slideshow, you can do this one. Before also we discussed in the insert, right? There is also comment available, and from here also, from the review also you can use the translate. So I'm using the comment. So from the new comment you can see I'm using the comment, and from here I'm using a comment. Okay, and if you want to delete that comment, you have to click in the delete and delete all the comments. You can use this one. And if you want to go from one comment to another comment, in that case you can use previous and next, but in this case I'm using the next and previous. You can see there is only one comment available inside my slideshow. And if you want to show all the comments, you can show this one. If you want to hide this one, just off the show comments. And but in this case I am removing this one. So from the delete I am deleting this one. And if you want to compare two slideshow presentation, in that case you can compare two slideshows. So I am using the photo album trial, and now you can see it's merging my two slideshow, right? Okay, just wait for a moment. I think it's not merging. So if you want to compare two files, so in that case you can use this one. Now you can see there is a lots of option available, right? Now you can see there is a two slide available because before I compare two file, right? Another option available, accept and reject, and before I use the comment, right? Now I'm using again comment. Okay, now you can see there is a comment available. here. And if you want to just wait for a moment. So from here you can see there are if you want to accept and reject this one, just wait for I am closing this one in the review. Yes. And from here if you want to delete this one, first of all I'll delete this one, delete all the comments. And from the accept and reject you can also use the feature, but I think this is not working in this time right now. Okay, and another option also available, reviewing pan, and if you want to use the reviewing pan, just you have to click in the reviewing pan, but in this time it's not working. Another option also available in the review. First of all I'll give a comment from here. Now you can see I'll delete this one. Okay, and I'll compare another document from here and merge it. Now you can see if you want to accept that slideshow, you have to click in the accept. Now you can see there is a slideshow available inside my slideshow, right? Okay, now you can see. And now from here if you want to reject that one, okay, now you can see I already accepted. And in the reviewing pan you can see there is a details about my slideshow. Okay, so you can also use these features. It's amazing features of Microsoft PowerPoint. So another also in review, if you want to end your review you can use this one. So after this there is no review inside my presentation. So let's move on to view. Inside view there is lots of presentation view available, master view is also available. So I'm using the so I will start from the presentation view. So first of all I'll go to in normal. Now we are using the normal, right? So you can use this one, outline view also, you can use the slide sorter also, you can use note page, you can use the reading view, lots of section available. Okay, so it's the amazing features. So I'm using the normal. And you can use the slide master also. Now you can see there are lots of options available. From the slide master you can create lots of different kind of options, and from here you can delete this one. Okay, and from the slide master you can give the placeholder, lots of options available from here. So but I'm closing the slide master. And now you can see there is a handout master also available, and from here you can give lots of handout masters. So you can set the size, you can set the orientation, you can choose the slide per page, how many size you want. Now I'm choosing the 6 slide. If you want to only use 3 slide you can use this one. If you want to only use 2 slide you can use this one. As per your requirement you can choose the master view. So from this from the view there is another option available. If you want to show the ruler you have to click in the ruler. If you want to show the grid lines you have to show this one, but if you want to hide that one you have to remove the tick line tick also. So from the guides you can show the guides also. Now you can see there is some guides available inside my slide. So if you want to show notes, now you can see there is a note option, and you can put some notes inside this one. And if you want to zoom, now I'm using 100%, you can make it small also. Just wait for a moment, it's not working, what happened? So if you want to use this one, okay, now you can see there is a small. And if you want to zoom to 100% you can use this one. Now you can see it's the zoom working, right? And you can make it fit to window also. And now I'm using the color, and you can make it grayscale also. Okay, so now you can see there are lots of options available, and you can go in the back to color view, and from here you can make it black and white also, and from you can again go into back to color view also. And if you want to create or duplicate presentation, in that case you have to click in the new window. Now you can see I have presentation 2:2, and from the arrange all you can arrange your you can arrange all your presentation from here, and you can use the cascade also from here, and you can use the movie split, switch windows. Now there is 3 presentations available inside my windows. So if you want to use macros, first of all you have to record macros. So first of all you have to give a name. So I'm giving a name the page. So from here you have to click in the create. So it's asking me sub the page, so it's already open Microsoft Visual Basic for application. If you have the knowledge about the Visual Basic, you can use these features. So after this, just click in the close. Okay, I think this one is and if you have the knowledge about the Visual Basic, you can use this one, but it's not necessary to use this one. Okay, but if you know about the Visual Basic, in that case you can use this one. So thank you so much for watching this video, hoping you understand about the review and view menu. And if you have any kind of confusion about the review and view menu, you can ask me in the comment sections. I'll try to give answer of your each questions. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share my video to your family and friends also. So thank you so much once again. I'll meet with you another video. See you soon. Goodbye.